Everybody's just trying to get unloaded there, I guess. And get off the boat and boogie out of here. Another guy trying to get on the trailer. Everybody working on getting out, guys. I see a whole parking lot moving over there doing something. Here comes another little boat. Looks like a bass tracker, maybe. Another Jeep pulling it out. Okay. Coming to get that boat right there, but that pontoon boat's right in front of them. Not sure how they're going to get around that, but
We'll have to hold it straight.
here he comes, though, guys. He's moving it. He's wanting to get home, that's for sure. Get that boat out of there. That guy in front of him up there, I guess he's getting ready to go down the ramp, though. That's that one that just come in. Jet ski out. Comes the guy to get this boat here. Gosh, it's hard to, so much going on, guys. All right. Got that, guys. They made it over there. He's still trying. Oh man, that guy with the pontoon boat's gonna hit that truck if he's not careful. Trailer for this boat's headed in. Boy, it's really windy now. I don't even know if you can hear me very good. Wow. Another big boat. Oh, they just went out. That's when they were spinning their tires a minute ago. So what came back around. They're putting that boat back in. The guy was spinning the tires and all that stuff. guys walking up the trailer over here. Here comes the pontoon, guys. Well, I'm having a hard time seeing. Boy. What in the world? That's that guy over there who's spinning the tires. He was trying to back down the bank over there. He might have backed down the, I don't know. I see tire tracks up there. Well, that's where he just went in with that boat. Okay, pontoon just went in. I hope the camera's not too shaky today, guys. It's so windy and everything blowing all over. Kind of getting this one in there. Okay. And they're trying to get this one in. Oh yeah. Bring it in, Big Daddy. Bring it in, Big Daddy. Yeah! Well, no. Sea fox there, guys. They made it. Trying to get that pontoon on the left out of there. This lady on the right over here is still waiting. The one that waved to me probably a good half hour ago. I wonder what happened. I don't know. Well, I don't know what's happening there. This guy's working on his pontoon boat or something over there. He's trying to get it started, I think. No, it started. Wow. Wow. 400. Oh my. Imagine a 400 on a pontoon. Oh boy. I bet that rips up the river, that's for sure.
Right, good.
People starting to get on board there. Boy, I see the parking lot starting to get thinner over there. Yeah. I'm surprised one of those guys didn't just hop in and take off with it, you know? Because the bass boat in, guys. Yeah, bring it in, Big Daddy. Guys are trying to walk down the... Oh boy. There he goes. He got it. I hope I got that all right. Yeah, Big Daddy. Let it rip. Oh, I smell food somewhere. Oh my. It smells good. I told little Milo I'd bring him back something. We'll see how it all goes. See what happens, guys. Hang on. That's the trailer for that little boat they were climbing under the ramp with. All right. Sea-Doo headed on the trailer over there. I guess these guys are headed on out. Here goes that guy for the trailer. He's headed for the trailer. Right? But he's kind of batting down, ready to hit the river there. Have fun out there. Go see some gators and go see some stuff. Seems like it's awful late to be headed out, though. It's almost 5 o'clock. Have fun out there, guys. All right.